Kinilala ang husay at galing ng mga kapuso programs at personalities sa 8th Gawad Lasallianeta Awards, kabilang ang mga anchor ng 24 oras. Present ang ilang kapuso stars sa event. Makichika kay Athena Imperial.
Thank you very much, Esnir.
Sa ikawalong Gawad Lasallianeta ng De La Salle Araneta University sa Malabon City, kinilalang Most Outstanding Media Entertainment Producer ang GMA Network. Pinarangalang Most Outstanding News Anchors sina Mel Tiangco, Emil Sumangil at Vicky Morales ng 24 oras. Most Outstanding News Correspondent si Bernadette Reyes.
Sana po patuloy po namin kayo maging katuwang in our search for truth. Maraming salamat po.
Most Outstanding Morning Show ang unang hirit at Most Outstanding Morning Show host naman ang UH Barkada. Ang Super Radio DZBB ang Most Outstanding Digital Radio Station. Kinilala rin ang mga programa ng GMA Public Affairs. Most Outstanding Public Affairs Show ang Wish Ko Lang, habang Most Outstanding Public Affairs Show host si Vicky Morales. Most Outstanding Documentarist at Magazine Show host ang multi-awarded broadcast journalist na si Jessica Soho. Most Outstanding Documentary Show ang Eyewitness at Most Outstanding Current Affairs Show host ang isa sa dokumentarista nitong si Cara David. Most Outstanding Magazine Show ang I Wonder. Most Outstanding Educational Show ang Born to be Wild.
Dahil galing po ito sa mga kabataan, galing po ito sa inyo, napakahalaga po nito sa amin. Because it is a testament of the hard work and the perseverance of the staff in Born to be Wild.
At Most Outstanding Educational Show host si Drew Arellano. Sa GMA Entertainment, Most Outstanding Entertainment Talk Show ang Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. At kinilala rin si Boy Abunda as the Most Outstanding Entertainment Talk Show host. Most Outstanding Competition or Reality Show ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition Season 1. Kinilala rin ang mga host nito, pati ang ex-housemate na si Esnir as Most Outstanding Social Media Personality. Most Outstanding Variety Show ang It's Showtime at Most Outstanding Variety Show hosts ang host nito. Si Barbie Forteza naman ang Most Outstanding Actress in a Digital Film sa pagganap niya sa pelikulang Kontrabida Academy.
Logical din naman talaga na magkaroon na rin ng category, acting category sa digital platform, hindi ba? Nagpapasalamat ako dahil ito yata ang aking first ever acting award, parang in digital content.
Most Outstanding Film ang Balota, habang Most Outstanding Film Actress si Marion Rivera. Isa naman sa tumanggap ng Zeal Award ang DLSU alumnus na si Juancho Trevino para sa kanyang husay sa larangan ng telebisyon.
I'm very much honored kasi syempre Lasal is where I graduated college. Kaya very close to my heart ang pagtanggap ng award na to. I dedicate everything to the God that created us and also syempre the family that I have right behind me.
Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happenings.